Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and this is the Carols in the Snow paper collection by Craft a Clock. This is the largest size that we have in the paper collection. It's 8 by 12. We don't have any 12 by 12s in stock, but this is on the back of the packaging. There's tags. You get 2 of those, and then you can see that the designs here just absolutely beautiful for winter. Look at that. And then on the B side, you've got these stars. You can see that the designs are more on a horizontal, and let me tell you, this is absolutely ideal for folding in half and making a mini album effortlessly, because then you've got already your double-sided for your base pages. It's really, really convenient. And just imagine then you've got the pocket page right there. It's just really super convenient. I actually have made a mini album with this collection before, and it is absolutely one of my favorite collections ever made from Craft a Clock. Again, 2 of each design here. Look at the white wood. That it's actually not white, but it's also blue and white and cream colored. There's music notes here. This is really one of those timeless holiday collections. Look at the plaid there. The wood, the green with a little bit of the design. I love this. Just beautiful. Look at that. I have opened up packs just to get this page out. Just beautiful. So that is the 8 by 12, and as you can see, you get 2 of each design for a total of 14 double-sided sheets. This is the 8 by 8. In this pack you get 18 sheets, but you do get 3 of each design. So on the back of the packaging, you've got a bonus sheet there, which is super nice. And then you can see these are the same designs as you saw before, just scaled down to the 8 by 8. Perfect for your mini albums, 8 by 8, traditional scrapbooking. And you can see that it just repeats the same designs, just scaled down. Look at the houses. This is just beautiful. And look at the bird. Yeah, just really, really great. Love that. Love that. Sort of that sweater, that ugly sweater pattern. And beautiful, beautiful busy paper. Great for cards. Just wonderful. So, okay, you get 3 of each design there. And 18 sheets, and that is 190 GSM. This is the 6 by 6. You also get 18 sheets in the 6 by 6. This is a little bit heavier though. It's 250 GSM, so maybe more inclined for your cards. On the back you've got a different pattern. You've got these doilies, which is really nice. And I like to have all of the different sizes, and then you can use them for different things, but also you get all of the patterns. I mean, that's just stunning. Same designs as we've seen, just scaled down to the 6 by 6. I love this with the stars around it. Yeah, that's really something. You just don't see stuff like this in your everyday lines. Just beautiful. Here's what's unique to the 6 by 6 is you've got these little tiny mini cut aparts here that you didn't see in the other sizes. So that's fun. You also have this pattern with the snowflake in it that you don't have on the other sizes. So that's fun. And this as well. Look at that with the music notes. Yeah, really geared toward like a 6 by 6 card. There you've got this plaid too, which we saw in partial in the other sizes, especially in that 8 by 12. You saw a little bit of this plaid like in the middle of one of the design pages, but not full like in here in the 6 by 6. And then this completely unique to the 6 by 6 pack this little design. Can you see just cutting just a little strip like that and adding it to a card? Yeah, great. Nice, nice variety of designs there. And that is the 6x6, 18 sheets there and 250 GSM. In the shop, we also have a few unique areas for embellishment that go with this collection. First, we have the quotes. And because these collections come from Poland, one side is in Polish and the other side is in English. But you could see really nice, and it's the same quotes here and here, just a different font. So essentially you get two of every quote, but you know, just in two different fonts. So that's nice. Then we also have, these are die cuts. It's a die cut sheet, and I only left it in the plastic, and I'm so sorry if there's a glare, but it's because these are not glued down and they come out super easy. I mean, you barely have to, I'll pull this out a little bit and you'll be able to see that they just come right out with no effort. But I will show you just a little bit. Let me see if you can see this here. Okay, so you can really get a feel for how it looks, and there's little holes here that you can easily, they're already pre-punched, and you can put brads or eyelets in them. And you can see how easily that comes out. So you've got a whole sheet here of different designs. Again, I neglect to pull it out of the packaging only because I want to sort of preserve them. But you can see all different, see, look, all different sheets and die cuts. There are some circles and tags and lots of different shapes here. Same scenario here with the advent calendar die cuts. And so here it's similar to these other die cuts, except for the fact that you've got numbers on each one. And I will open it, well, let me hold it a little bit closer so you can see. And again, I apologize for the glare. Hopefully this gives you a good picture of all of the different varieties within the advent calendar die cut pack. I will hold up one closer. Let's see here. Okay, we'll just pull this one out because it's right here. Okay, and you can see it's got the really nice glittery number and then a teeny tiny design. Can you just see that on your canvases, mixed media projects, and cards? So just a single sheet per pack, but already pre-die cut, pre-embellished and all, just for you. In the shop, we also have what Craft O'Clock calls Project Life cards, and they don't make these anymore, but Sandpaper Road has quite a few here in the shop, so you can definitely take advantage of that. And this is just the packaging, nothing on the back, but it would be a good size like bookmark that you could decorate or whatever. And then they're essentially cut-aparts is what they are. And isn't this nice? So you get 3 sheets, different cut-aparts for a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cut-aparts. And in the standard sizes as Project Life cards, so to speak. These are fun to fussy cut out, and they make really super easy cards. And if you look on the YouTube channel, Sandpaper Road YouTube channel, I've made a ton of videos with this collection, specifically using these cards, these Project Life cards. On the back is the Polish of the same. So obviously you have a choice there, but you know, for our USA audience, we're sticking with the English, and that's a really good buy right there. Finally, we have 2 large sheets of embellishments. These are, let me show you this one first. These are envelopes. So when you cut this out, it also comes with a few little extra fussy cut elements that you can embellish the envelope with. Perfect for like your gift card, and that's what I tend to use these for. Also when I'm making a mini album, because I've made a few mini albums with this collection, and it's really nice to have that little mini envelope in there. And on the back you've got a bonus sheet, so this is really nice to pick up if you're already in there shopping with this collection. We also have a single-sided sheet of embellishments here, and these are what we would call, they call them extras to cut. I would just call them like blank tags, but think about in coordination with your quotes, right? Or also with these other embellishments like the die cuts and things. Everything just enhances and goes together. It's just really, really super nice. This Carols in the Snow paper collection by Craft a Clock is available at sandpaperroad.com, or you can just click on the link under View Products. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.